Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your HP laptop is updated and on Windows 10 or 11. That avoids driver and compatibility issues. Once done, choose between Windows built-in VPN or a third-party client, OpenVPN or WireGuard if you need strong security. Make sure to have the server address, username, password, and any pre-shared key or OFPIN file ready. Begin settings network and internet to add a connection. Follow fields carefully so the connection template is correct. Now configure the connection. In settings, you'll add a VPN entry, selecting the protocol and pasting the server address and credentials. If you opted for a third-party client, install it, then import the OFPIN or configuration file and allow necessary permissions. Make sure to set DNS to secure servers and enable a kill switch or split tunneling according to your needs. This prevents leaks and controls traffic. Finally, connect and verify by checking your public IP and to finish, make the VPN easy to use. Create a desktop shortcut or enable automatic connect on trusted networks so you stay protected. Keep the VPN client and HP network drivers updated and store backup copies of your config and credentials in a secure vault. If it fails, try a quick troubleshooting flow. Reset the network adapter, re-import the config, and verify your firewall or router allows the VPN protocol ports. If problems persist, switch protocol or contact the VPN provider for logs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.